Poor circulation after you hit 60, it isn't just some minor inconvenience, is it? It's this quiet threat that it can start to steal your independence. But what if I told you there's a drink that could start improving your blood flow, not in months, not even in weeks, but literally in a matter of hours? Today, we're going to break down the science behind that very drink, and you're going to see what happens inside your body from the absolute first sip. First things first, let's talk about why this is such a big deal. The data on this is just crystal clear. For anyone over 60, having poor circulation actually triples your risk of a fall. I mean, that's a huge number. It can turn something as simple as walking to the bathroom at night from just a normal thing into a genuinely dangerous situation. This isn't just about feeling a bit slow, it's about your stability and your safety. And really, that's the heart of it, isn't it? It's the cold feet, it's the numb toes, those heavy, aching legs that make you think twice before you go for a walk or decide to play with your grandkids. But when that circulation starts to come back, you feel it right away. The cold starts to fade, and your legs finally feel like they're working for you again, not against you. So, to get you there, we've got a really clear roadmap. We're going to start with the warning signs your body sends you. Then, we'll uncover the real culprit behind all this. After that, we'll get to the fun part, a countdown of the best and worst drinks to fix it. We'll crown the undisputed champion, give you a super simple action plan, and then finish up with a final thought on how you can take back control. Okay, let's dive right in with the symptoms. A lot of us just write these things off as, just a part of getting older. But they're not. They are your body's alarm system, telling you loud and clear that something is wrong. Does any of this sound familiar? That feeling of cold in your hands and feet that just won't go away no matter how warm the room is? Or that pins and needles sensation? Or even just total numbness? And those awful leg cramps that just jolt you awake at night? See, this isn't random. When blood can't get where it needs to go, your muscles are starved for oxygen and waste products build up. That's what directly causes these feelings of pain and fatigue and that horrible heavy feeling. So why is this actually happening? The common advice is always, just move more or elevate your legs. And yeah, that stuff can give you some temporary relief, but it doesn't fix the root cause. This isn't just about aging. It's about a very specific breakdown that's happening deep inside your blood vessels. Now check out this number. This is what's really happening. After you turn 60, your body's ability to produce one single critical molecule drops by a staggering 70%. This isn't some slow, gradual decline. It's like falling off a cliff. And that one molecule, it's the key to everything. And that molecule is nitric oxide. The easiest way to think of it is as the traffic controller for your entire circulatory system. Its main job is to tell the walls of your blood vessels to just relax. This is what keeps them wide and flexible, allowing blood to flow easily all the way from your heart down to the tips of your toes. And this shows you the problem perfectly. On the left, you've got a healthy artery. It's wide open because there's plenty of nitric oxide. Blood is just cruising through. But on the right, that's what happens when those nitric oxide levels crash. The artery gets tight and stiff. It's kind of like trying to force water through a pinched garden hose. The blood just struggles to get through, and your legs and feet are starved of the oxygen they desperately need. But here is the really good news. You can give your body the exact raw materials it needs to start producing nitric oxide again. And honestly, the easiest way to do that is through certain drinks. So we've broken it all down and ranked the options, from the ones that barely do anything, all the way to the one that can seriously increase your blood flow. All right, let's just fly through the bottom of the list. At number 10, plain old water. Now, hydration is crucial, don't get me wrong, but water has zero of the compounds you need to actually boost nitric oxide. It helps maintain things, but it won't improve them. Number 9, green tea. It's good for you, but the effects on circulation are really slow and kind of inconsistent. At 8 and 7, we've got tart cherry and pomegranate juice.
They help a little, but the really high sugar content can actually work against you. And at number 6, pure unsweetened cocoa. This one's actually surprisingly effective, but only if you do it the right way.
Okay, now we are getting into the serious contenders. Kicking off our top 5 is watermelon juice. And this isn't just a refreshing summer drink. It is a nitric oxide powerhouse. And the reason for that is a natural compound called L-citrulline. Your body is an absolute expert at turning L-citrulline into nitric oxide.
The science here is pretty solid. Studies show that drinking it consistently can improve how well your arteries work by up to 28%. The only real downside is just practicality. I mean, it's seasonal, it can be expensive, and a little inconvenient. But hey, when you can get it, it's a fantastic choice.
Next up, we have a seriously underrated hero in the circulation world, hibiscus tea. This stuff is cheap, you can find it anywhere, and it punches way, way above its weight when it comes to boosting your blood flow. What's really incredible about this one is that some studies have shown hibiscus tea can improve blood flow by an amazing 31%. It works fast and it's super affordable. Now, there is one major warning. Because it's so effective, it can lower your blood pressure quite a bit. So if you're on blood pressure medication, you absolutely have to talk to your doctor before you start drinking this regularly.
Okay, so we've seen some really powerful options, but now it's time to reveal the one drink that just stands alone at the very top. It has the highest concentration of those key raw materials, it's simple to drink, and its effects are backed by a mountain of scientific research. And the undisputed circulation king is beetroot juice. Just one 8-ounce glass gives your body a massive dose of natural nitrates, which is the direct fuel it needs to create nitric oxide. Its effectiveness isn't just a story, it's proven and it's consistent. For anyone over 60 dealing with circulation problems, it is without a doubt the single most powerful tool you can find in a glass. And look, this isn't just a guess. This right here is the proof. This comes from something called a meta-analysis, which is basically a study of a whole bunch of other studies. Every single line you see represents a different clinical trial, and they all point to the exact same conclusion. Beetroot juice causes a massive, undeniable spike in plasma nitrates, and that means it is successfully delivering the raw materials your body needs to get the job done. And this is what's so cool. It shows you just how fast the stuff works. Within the first hour, the good bacteria in your mouth start converting the nitrates from the juice. By hour 2, those are turning into nitric oxide, and your blood vessels literally start to relax and widen. That's a process called vasodilation. By the 3rd hour, you hit peak performance with maximum blood flow, and the effects stay elevated for up to 12 hours, giving your whole system sustained support. So, beetroot juice is our winner, but knowing what to drink is really only half the battle. Knowing how to drink it the right way, well, that's what makes sure you get every last drop of benefit. So let's turn this into a super simple, effective daily habit. The plan could not be easier. First, the drink. 8 ounces of pure beetroot juice. Make sure there's no added sugar. Second, the timing. You have to drink it every single morning on an empty stomach. This is absolutely critical. And third, the wait. After you drink it, wait at least 30 minutes before you eat or drink anything else. This gives your body a clean window to absorb all those nitrates without any interference. Now, it is so important to avoid these mistakes because they can completely cancel out all the benefits. The biggest one is right at the top. Do not use mouthwash right after you drink it. Remember how we said the whole process starts with bacteria in your mouth? Well, antibacterial mouthwash kills those good bacteria and just breaks the entire chain. And of course, stay consistent. This isn't a one-and-done fix. It's a daily habit that builds on itself, day after day. So let's just bring this all together. What we've really learned today is that your body has this incredible built-in ability to work correctly. Most of the time, it just needs the right raw materials that might be missing from your diet. So I want you to remember this. The idea that poor circulation is just some inevitable part of getting older, it's a myth.
It's a condition that can be managed and, for a lot of people, really improved. The science is there, the solution is simple, and so the only question left is for you. What could you do? What becomes possible for you when your legs feel warm and strong and reliable again? What kind of freedom could you get back?